growth, games, Notion. Three words that could never live in one sentence, right? Well, I just made this possible, introducing Notion Game Mode V3. Let's start the growth game. First, pick your word. Build your character and choose your companion because nobody grows alone. From now on, everything you finish, tasks, habits, podcasts, projects, and more earns you XP that levels up your character. The real journey begins unlocking all ranks. How? Every productivity challenge you finish rewards a token. Lotus, gems, or shields. Those tokens levels you 3 skills: willpower, wisdom, and strength. The higher your skills climb, the more ranks you unlock, and each rank boosts how fast you grow. Can't finish a challenge? Skip it with comments. Earned only by logging in daily, so keep showing up. Keep an eye on your energy. It's limited each day because every action burns a little. Remember your companion? He lives on your good habits, grows powerful with winning streaks, and gets hurt by the bad habits. So try to not lose him. Reviving him costs a lot. Is there a better way to stay disciplined while having fun? If you need direction, your NPC is there to guide you in your journey. Finish all ranks and you hit Arc 2, unlocking a new set of ranks and challenges. And before you start, choose your difficulty. Me, I will go with medium. What about you? Either way, grab Game Mode V3 at allaceNotion.com/secondbrain at 30% off and watch your life become a game. Or check the link below. I've spent over 11 months building this template, so if you want to support, retweet this post or share it with a friend. Thanks.